What's the meaning of cuisine? Cuisine. Cuisine.
Cuisine. Cuisine. Cuisine refers to a specific style of cooking that is characteristic of a particular region or country. It involves a unique combination of ingredients, flavors, and techniques that are used to prepare dishes that are representative of that area. The term cuisine is often used to describe the traditional foods of a particular culture, as well as the cooking styles and practices that are associated with it. Overall, cuisine is an important aspect of cultural identity, and it offers both locals and tourists a chance to experience the tastes and flavors of different regions around the world.